So dear students, today consider exercise 7.2 problem number 7 of coordinate geometry. So this problem given, find the coordinates of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2, minus 3 and B is 1, 4. One circle given whose diameter is given, diameter one vertex given, other vertex not given, and also center of the circle given. Now what is the point A? Now we want to find coordinates of A. Now first we draw the circle. Suppose this is our circle and this is the diameter. This is diameter A. B. A, find the coordinates of A. We want to find A. A we consider xy and B given 1, 4 and middle point center also given 2, minus 3. This is C, we consider 2, minus 3. Now what is the coordinate of A? So solution start. Let the coordinates of A be x, y. This one given. Now center is given. Center we know center is the midpoint of diameter. AB is the diameter. So C is the midpoint because this is the center given and this coordinate given. Now we want to find this coordinate. So midpoint of AB equal to 2, minus 3. This one 2, minus 3 given. But midpoint, what is the rule? AB midpoint means this plus this dividing by 2. This plus this dividing by 2. So midpoint of AB we can write x plus 1 by 2, y plus 4 by 2. This is the formula of midpoint, x plus 1 by 2, y plus 1 by 2. But this midpoint center is 2, 3 given, minus 3 given, this one. Now if we equating, this is an ordered pair, this is another ordered pair, two ordered pairs will be equal if first element equal to first, second equal to second. So we get x plus 1 by 2 equal to 2, y plus 4 by 2 equal to minus 3 we get. So x plus 1 equal to 4, if you multiplying this 4 and x equal to 4 minus 1, x equal to we get 3 and this is y plus 4 equal to minus 6, 2 into 3 minus 6 and y equal to minus 6 minus 4 and y equal to minus 10. We get y is minus 10, x is 3. Therefore, the required coordinates of A is 3, minus 10 and this is our answer. So answer is 3, minus 10. This is the coordinate of A. This is very easy problem. Now we consider problem number 8. If A and B are minus 2, minus 2 and 2, minus 4 respectively, find the coordinates of P such that AP equal to 3 by 7 AB and P lies on the line segment AB. Now what are given? Now solution start. Given AP equal to 3 by 7 AB. So AP by AB, this equal to 3 by 7. Now what we get? AP equal to we get 3, AB equal to we get 7. AB means this to this is AB. So AB is 7 given. So these two 7 we divide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 equal parts. And AP by AB 7, AP given 3. So P will be 1, 2, 3. This will be, P must be here. We don't know the point P, PXY consider. So obviously P will be here. Then this length is 3 and obviously this height is 4. We get PB equal to 4. So what we get, A, B given, we want to find P and this ratio is 3, this ratio is 4. So solution, clearly AP equal to 3, PB equal to we get 7 minus 3 equal to 4. We get 4. PB is 4. So here we get M1 equal to 3, M2 equal to 4, X1 equal to minus 2, Y1 equal to minus 2, X2 equal to 2, Y2 equal to minus 4. This is X1, Y1, X2, Y2. This is M1, M2. Now we want to find P point. P point means by section formula we know X equal to M1, X2 plus M2, X1 by M1 plus M2, and Y equal to we know M1, Y2 plus M2, Y1 by M1 plus M2. We know this is our section formula. Now putting the values, M1 means we know 3 and X2 means we know X2 is 2 plus M2 means 4 and X1 is 3, M1 plus M2, 3 plus 4, we get this one. So here also we get M1 is 3 plus 4 and M1 is 3, Y2 is minus 4 plus M2 is 4 and Y1 is minus 2. We get this one. So obviously denominator is 7, this is 6 plus 12, 6 plus 12 is 18 by 12. So here one simple mistake, this is X1 is minus 2. So this will be minus 2 and this is minus 2 means minus 8. We get minus 8. So this will be 2 minus 8 is minus 2 by 7. We get this value is minus 2 by 7 and another value Y, this is denominator 7 minus 12 minus 8, this is minus 20 by 7. So this is our answer. Therefore the required point is P minus 2 by 7 minus 20 by 7 and this is our answer. This is the final answer. So we get easily the point P. Now we consider problem number 9. 9 given, find the coordinates of the points which divide the line segment joining A and B, A minus 2, 2 and B 2, 8 into 4 equal parts. So AB 2 points given, if we joining these 2 points we get a line segment. This line segment we divides 4 equal parts. Now we want to find the points which divides the line segment in 4 equal parts. Suppose the points are P x y, P q x bar y bar, R x bar dash y bar dash. These 3 points divides the line segment AB into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts. So What are the coordinates of these 3 points? Now our target to find these 3 points. So solution start. Let the points be P x y, Q x bar y bar and R x bar dash y bar dash be the 3 points which divides AB into 4 equal parts. So let the points be P x y, Q x bar y bar and R x bar dash y bar dash be the 3 points which divides AB into 4 equal parts. Initially we have to find P. So first we consider P. Since obviously P divides the line segment 1:3. This portion is 1, 2, 3. So this will be 1 and this will be 3. 1:3 we get ratio. Since P x y divides AB in the ratio 1:3. Here M1 equal to 1, M2 equal to 3, X1 equal to -2, Y1 equal to 2, X2 equal to 2, Y2 equal to 8 we get. So this is X1, Y1 and this is X2, Y2. Since x equal to we know M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2, we know this x equal to this. Next y equal to we know M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2, we know this. So this is our section formula. Now putting the ready-made values, M1 means 1 plus 3 and this is M1 is 1 and x2 means 2 plus M2 means 3, M2 is 3 into x1 is -2, we get this. And here also 1 plus 3, 1 into M1 means 1, Y2 means 8 plus 3 into M2 means 3 into Y1 is 2. Now you want to solve this. This implies x equal to 1 plus 3 is 4 and numerator 2 minus 6. So this is -4 by 4, this will be -1 and y equal to this is 4, 8 plus 6, 1 into 8, 8 plus 6, this is 14 by 4, this is 7 by 2 we get. So first point we get -1, 7 by 2, therefore P we get -1, 7 by 2. Next we want to find Q. So I want to write the point is here, P point we get -1, 7 by 2. Next our target to find Q. Q is middle point. This is 2, this is 2. That means Q divides 2:2. Since Q x bar y bar divides AB in the ratio 2:2. So here M1, so here we get M1 equal to 2, M2 equal to 2, X1 equal to -2, Y1 equal to 2, X2 equal to 2, Y2 equal to 8 we get. Again using the section formula, X bar equal to M1 X2 plus M2 X1 by M1 plus M2, and Y bar equal to M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 by M1 plus M2, and putting the ready-made values, M1 is 2, M2 also 2, 2 plus 2, M1 2 into X2, X2 means 2 plus 2 into X1, X1 means -2. So this is 4, 4 minus 4, this is 0 by 4, this will be 0 we get. This result is 0. Now M1 M2, 2 plus 2, 2 into Y2, Y2 means 8 plus 2 into Y1, Y1 means 2, this is 4, 16 plus 4, this is 20, 20 by 4 equal to 5. So this point we get 0, 5. Therefore Q we get 0, 5. Next our target to find R. R, when you have to find R, then this R is here, then 1, 2, 3, and this is 1. That means 3:1 ratio. R divides AB 3:1. Since R X bar dash Y bar dash divides AB in the ratio 3:1. Here M1 equal to 3, M2 equal to 1, X1 equal to -2, Y1 equal to 2, Y1 is 2, X2 equal to 2, and Y2 equal to 8 we get. This one we get. Since X bar dash equal to M1 X2 M2 X1 by M1 plus M2, Y bar dash equal to M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 by M1 plus M2. Now putting the values, M1 is 3, 3 plus 1, 3 into X2, X2 is 2 plus 1 into X1, X1 is -2. So this is 4, this is 6 minus 2, and 4 by 4, this will be 1 we get. And here again same we get 3 plus 1, this is 3, Y2 means 8 plus M1 is 1 and Y1 means 2. So this will be 4, 24 plus 2, this is 26 by 4, if we cancelling by 2, 13 by 2 we get. So this point, therefore the point R equal to we get 1 and 13 by 2. So this is our answer. Therefore the required points are first point P minus 1, 7 by 2 and Q 0, 5, and the last one and R. PQ no need to write these points. Minus 1, 7 by 2, 1 is 0, 5, and the last one is what? 1, 13/2. These are the answer. -1, 7/2, 0,5 and 1, 13/2. Now we consider last problem 10. Find the area of a rhombus if its vertices are 3, 0, 4, 5, -1, 4, -2, 1 taken in order. So these are the vertices. We consider this is the rhombus. Rhombus means all sides are equal, diagonals are unequal. We putting the points in this way, taken in order. Now first we consider let the vertices be A 3, 0, B 4, 5, C -1, 4 and D -2, -1. So first we find AC. AC means distance between 2 points. This and this -1 -3 whole square plus 4 -0 whole square. So this will be -4 whole square plus 4 whole square. This is 16 plus 16, 16, 32. 32 means this is 16 into 2. 16 means 4 √2 we get. Now we find BD. BD means this and this distance between 2 points, -2 -4 whole square. BD -2 -4 whole square, -1 -5 whole square plus -1 -5 whole square. Now we get this is -6 whole square, this is -6 whole square, and this equal to 36 plus 36. This is 36 into 2, 36 2 times. So this is 6√2 we get this one. So we get the lengths of diagonal AC and BD. Now area of rhombus, since area of the rhombus ABCD equal to half into product of the diagonals. Product of the diagonals. This is the formula of area of rhombus. Product of the diagonals means AC into BD. And AC, we know AC is 4√2 and BD is AC into BD is 6√2. So we get this, and this is 2 cancel, we get 2√2, 6√2, and this will be 2, 6 and 2 12, and √2 into √2 2. This will be 24. Therefore I want to write the result here. Therefore the required area of the rhombus is 24 square units. So this is the answer. So rhombus area is nothing. So we can find another way also. If we consider this is a triangle, this is another triangle, we find this area, adding these two area, we get area of quadrilateral this rhombus. So this is our solution. This solution is nothing. So dear students, if solution is very easy, then you are feeling this solution is very easy, then please subscribe my channel, like this video, and please click the bell icon. Thanks.